Greetings. John Carter, CEO of SizeDFX and Chief Training Officer and CEO of SizeDFX. Just sharing with you a little feature that I've come across in my browser that might be helpful to you. Currently, I use multiple browsers for accessing the internet, but lately I've been very partial to Firefox, which is where this little bite-sized SizeDFX came from. One thing I've noticed is that in the work I do a lot of screenshots both for layout purposes or for capturing existing images online for a client's website that I don't have a hard copy of in my possession. So I found this particular trick very useful. I have not determined whether or not this is something that I can do in another browser, but if I find out it is, I will update this video accordingly. But in Firefox, I'm going to show you today how to take a quick screenshot of an image that's on a website view for your usage. Now, this functionality is usually inherent in many computers, either naturally through a shortcut key on Mac, Command-Shift-3 or Command-Shift-4, through a print screen function on a PC computer, or through some actual external computer program that allows you to specifically capture a section of the screen. But I thought this was rather cool, so I wanted to share it. For this example, I'm on the YouTube page of my friend and colleague, Michelle Portier, radio talk show host of Michelle Speaks, If You Hide It, You Can't Heal It, as well as the CEO of Healing Women, Healing Nations. This is her YouTube channel with a few of her videos and motivational nuggets, which she's affectionately called Michelleisms. What I want to do here is tweak the banner of her YouTube page, so I'm going to capture the existing one off her site as if I didn't have the original file to work from, which does happen with a client from time to time. To do that, what I'm going to do is bring my mouse over the header. Right-click on your mouse and select the option in the menu entitled Take a Screenshot. As the instructions say, dragging to a section or clicking on one will select the region. And as this video shows, running your mouse over multiple elements of the page will select pretty much anything that you have available to screenshot. So it's very easy to identify an area that I need and take a screenshot, or just click escape if I change my mind and want to exit this function entirely. Now, once I click on the banner for Michelle's YouTube page, it gives me a couple of options. The first function, to cancel this operation entirely, followed by the ability to copy the selecting file to my computer's clipboard. The download function, which is available here and in the next screen that we'll be moving to shortly, and the option, of course, to save the file. Just as an FYI, clicking on Save the File will take you to another page where you'll be able to view what it is that you're about to download, as well as saving the file in your Firefox account for access for about 14 days, if you have an account with Firefox and are signed in, of course. Here we can delete the file if we decide we don't want it. We can also add some annotations to it if we felt like it needed some additional effects. But I think it's just fine as it is, so we're going to undo these changes. You also have the ability to share this image to the usual social media suspects, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. But we want the actual file, so let's get to the function most important to us here, to download the image file for alteration in another program. So here we'll click download, allowing us to save the file to our local computer. So now I have the image I wanted on my computer to adjust for my client, and now you can recreate that action as well. Hope this was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next video.